4 tornado. This wasn't exactly news to storm chaser Jeff Piotrowski, who was quickly converging on this supercell storm from the south.
This tornado is a half-mile wide. This tornado 1 mile west of Radley is what we are hearing right now. So,
miles north of Mulberry.
As this wide-mouthed monster approached Liberal, Missouri, it seemed to sputter and weaken. Suddenly, just a short distance to the south, a second twister started to grow. This supercell was producing a family of tornadoes.
Oh, no! This one's waking in, and I got another one on the ground on my east. The next one back east is taking over now.